Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to something different. I have a glossy box today, but it's a glossy box for men. So let's get in here and check this out. When Glossybox reached out to ask if I would like to review this for the channel, I was so thrilled. I love the idea of men's boxes. Here we are at holiday season, and you know what? Some men, I know my husband sees all these boxes coming in the house, and he always kind of waits patiently, and I can come up with something for him periodically, but a whole box, that's kind of fun. Men's grooming box has a $150 value. If you are a Glossybox member, it is $30. I just taped my November Glossybox, and I talked about one of the beauties of signing up for Glossybox is when they come out with all of their special boxes, you generally get about $5 off of the box if you're a member. That can add up quick, especially if you like their special boxes. But let's dig in here and check it out. When we open it up, oh look, it looks more masculine. Instead of being pink, it's gray. And this says November 2021 Grooming Kit. And that is what that looks like. And the inside has that pretty black tissue paper, and I don't know if you can tell, there's a black ribbon here. Oh, there's a little sticker. And when we open it up, that is what it looks like on the inside. Let's dig in and see what the boys are gonna get. You know what? It's probably mostly cosmetics. If you would like it for you, I say go for it. It tells us about all of the products on the inside. I see, speaking of you could use it, we have Mighty Patch. This is the Invisible Your Blemish Hero. There are 6 patches in here. That is what it looks like. And this says 6 patches is worth $4. The full size is actually 39 patches and it would be worth $17.99. Made of plant-based hydrocolloid, a natural fluid absorbing gel, these patches quickly and effectively combat breakouts. Suitable for just about every skin type, they'll go unnoticed as they reduce the look of pimples in 6 to 8 hours. Next out, we have a For All Skin Refresh Post-Shave Calming Tonic. That sounds lovely. I would argue you could use it on your legs. It is 2 fluid ounces. That's what it looks like. Shaving can often take a heavy toll on the skin, especially if done on a regular basis. Alleviate any post-shaving irritation with this tonic that helps soothe razor burn and prevents ingrown hairs and razor bumps. It is full-sized and it has a $44 value. It says shake well. I just saw shake well. Gently roll onto skin post-shave, sugar, or wax. So yes, I would argue anyone could use this. There are places where you tend to get ingrown hairs. Look, it looks like an old-fashioned deodorant. That is so fun. I was just going to get a smell for you guys to see if you wanted to smell like it or your man wanted to smell like it. Oh, oh my goodness. I'm guessing the way you prevent that is alcohol that has a really high, oh, there's no ingredients on here. I would not suggest you roll it on you and then you take a deep whiff. I think it's got an alcohol base. We don't have ingredients here. I will let you know here. I will even take a long pause. What ingredients are in here, because that smelled of alcohol to me. Let's see. It's pretty much gone away, so I'm going to go in again. Oh yeah, there's almost, it's scent-free now. So it's got to be alcohol because nothing goes away that quickly except for alcohol. It says Skin Refresh quiets traumatized skin after hair removal. Calendula, sage, ginseng root, and salicylic acid work together to soothe delicate skin, reduce inflammation, and prevent razor burn and ingrown hair. Oh, and it has 500 milligrams of CBD in it. Next out, we have Verso, playing into my theme of you could get this for you. That is what that looks like. It's number 5. That's the eye cream, right? Am I right? I am right. This is the Deluxe Mini. It has a $21 value. If it were full-sized, it would have a $60 value. And it says this rich formula nourishes and moisturizes the eye area to ensure a robust skin barrier and healthy hydration level for soft, smooth, and supple skin. It owes its potency to a combination of fermented oat and a hyaluronic acid boosting yeast extract. So, gotta get your eyes tight. Next out, and these just look cool. Don't they look so classic as opposed to, I mean, we get pretty ones. They're all pretty, but I love that they made these look like I could hand it to my husband and be like, you should try this, and it doesn't have flowers and stuff all over it. He might be more inclined to try it. It is the Wolf Project Hydrating Face Sheet Mask. Deep skin hydration, vitamin B3, and tea leaf extracts. We have 2 of them, and the paperwork says that a single is worth $5 and a 5-pack is worth $25. I wonder if I accidentally got 2 or if you were intended to. Oh, they're different. I was like, why does it only say I have 1? And I went reading further, and we have 2. We have the hydrating face sheet mask, and we have the detox face sheet mask. It's a mud mask sheet mask. So we have two, but they're different, and they are $5 in nope, the nailing it down now. The mud mask sheet mask has a $6 value, and a 5-pack is $29.50. The hydrating mask says this 95% natural skincare sheet mask is made of bamboo charcoal and soaked in a serum that penetrates in the deep layers of the skin. The anti-aging and hydrating formula contains powerful ingredients including aloe, hyaluronic acid, vitamin B3, and tea tree extracts. The Detox Mud Face Mask Sheet says that it is 95% clay-based face sheet mask, cleanses and detoxifies your skin. It's made with a blend of kaolin and bentonite clays to help absorb excess sebum and remove blackheads naturally while providing nutrients to the skin. So, two sheet masks that do two different things. Next out, we have a Spice Bomb Infrared. So it's the Viktor and Rolf. Wow, that's not showing. So it is the Viktor and Rolf for men. Let's see. What am I going to spray? I got to spray something. We have to know how sexy this is. I will spray. Let me spray the back of the thing we're reading. I'm not a really big floral girl, but I like the Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb for women. So I have high hopes. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's very, I like that. Oh, my husband will like that too, I think. That smells lovely. He's definitely going to love this. It's not floral. Let's see. Does it say what the notes are? You guys know I am not great at this. It does not say, but look how awesome that's a really neat looking decanter. I'm going to have to get this for my husband for Christmas. Well, you know what? The beauty is he can try it. We can see if we both like it first. It smells so good. I love the scent of, you know what it reminds me of? What does it remind me of? This is going to seem really out of place. First of all, you're going to have to be older to get this reference probably. And second of all, I know I'm talking women versus men, and this is very masculine. But remember Youth Dew back in the day? Did your moms wear Youth Dew? I loved it. If somebody walked through right now, even though I haven't smelled it in 30 years, I'd be like, oh, I know that scent. How that spicy scent that it had. This is like that, but more masculine. So for the 6 of you who got that reference, there you go. Next out, we have a For All Hair Love Red Clover Regeneration Elixir with 250 milligrams of CBD in there. And it says that this is full-sized, it has a $34 value, and it's a powerful formula that supports scalp health to provide a better environment for hair growth, giving you thicker and fuller looking hair. It assists in reducing the effects of damage to the follicles while restoring a healthy appearance. And if I didn't say $34, I'm just going to show it's just kind of a yellowish dropper. Can you guys see that? I'm going to close this back up. I don't think that my husband will use this, so I will pass that along. Last we have, I don't know what it is, but it's in a little like velour type bag. It says Regiment, powered by Anagain treatment. I don't know what that is. And it says that it is full size. It has a, ooh, it's really cool looking, a $38.16 value. Very specific. That is what that looks like. And can you see it's like, I suspect a rollerball, but you know what? I'm not going to open this until we read about it, but that is what that looks like. So this is a CBD beard, brow, and mustache grow solution. Designed to work with all skin types, this cannabinoidal infused formulation is a natural way to help support fuller looking facial hair and brows. Infused with CBD Anagain and plant stem cell formulas, this solution will stimulate hair growth in no time. I'm not going to open this because this does not sound like something my husband would use, so I might can pass it along, but that is what that looks like. So the men's box was really heavy in the hemp and CBD because this one is 100 milligrams of CBD per container. So that's in the container. I don't know what that means. Also, you should have in your box, and I don't have in mine, so it must have just gotten missed, is a Pop Mask Deep Sleep Self-Warming Sleep Mask. That is what the paperwork looks like for it. It has a $4 value, and it says, if you're having trouble sleeping or just want to de-stress, Pop Mask could be the perfect solution. This self-warming eye mask is soothing and relaxing, so you can unwind from a long day and prep for tomorrow. So it's kind of like those star masks that we get in ours that are the self-warming ones, but I guess for men. Even the picture on it, in all fairness, the picture on it is of a man. That is the Grooming Kit Limited Edition by Glossybox for November 2021. Oh my goodness, I have completely forgotten about putting stuff back there. This is like the third video in a row I have forgotten. We have the For All Skin Fresh Post Shave Calming Tonic, the For All Hair Love Red Clover Regeneration Elixir. This all has a $150 value also. The Spice Bomb Infrared from Victor and Rolf. Oh, it smells so good. That is lovely. The Regiment Beard, Brow, and Mustache Growth Solution, also with CBD. The Verso number 5, which is the eye cream. The Mighty Patch. The 2 Wolf product masks. One is the hydrating and the other is the mud mask. And that box has a $150 value. If you have any interest in it, I will put the link below with my code Kathrin. If you have any interest in Glossybox, anytime you have Glossybox, the limited edition boxes cost less if you are a Glossybox member. So thank you so much for coming by, guys, and looking at something different. How fun is it to have something for the men in our lives? I know so many of us that get boxes are kind of looking for something like this, so perfect. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon, guys.